What's up, YouTube? It's your boy OG Drip, man. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. But today we're gonna do something a little different. We're going down all the moon signs individually, and even if it's not your moon sign, or even if you don't know your moon sign, it's very important to in tune because you might have brothers, sisters, cousins, any type of relatives, even kids that might have these signs, and you might not know why they act like they act, and you're trying to break something from them. And this is the reason why I was saying it's important to learn astrology, because you might be trying to break something from them, and that's literally naturally their energy. So we're moving on to that. We're going to talk about the first sign of the day, which was the first sign of the zodiac, is Aries. So anytime the moon sitting Aries, which is the first house, so anytime you have your moon in the first house, this will be like the ones that's like hot-headed. So although they may know what's going on and get, you know what I'm saying, they still make a different decision as long as they feel like they're getting away with like winning or some type of victory. So let me give you a great example for it. Let me give you a great example. So check this out. If you have, let's say, if you have a kid and you just told him, you like, hey, stop doing this, stop doing that, but you've been telling them like consistently, and it's like no matter how many times you tell them, they still go out and they still do whatever. Or either an older person, you know what I'm saying, they still be like so stubborn to the fact that they just want to go, you know what I'm saying, go do whatever they want to do, whatever please them. So this is like this is like victory or a win to them. So even if you don't see it as a win to them, they still see it as a win. Even if you told them to stop doing something and then they snuck back later on and then they try to like do it still. So at the end of the day, they getting satisfaction through that. So you get what I'm saying? So this is what like kind of relieved them. So at the same time, we have to just help people or help try to understand the energy and direct it in a different way. So if you know it was something like victory or making them win, to making them feel bigger and stuff like that, make them, you know what I'm saying, satisfied, well then you maybe could take like games or something like that that's simple or things like that, or that's not too complicated, and you know, like give them like a little competition but not overwhelm them. Because one thing about an Aries moon, if they feel like they're taking a lot of losses and stuff like that, they'll tend to shut down on you. And you know what I'm saying? And they start bringing out like the negative energy behind them. So anytime it's dealing with the moon and the sun, although they both of them stand for something different. So if you don't know and you just only heard about your sun sign, it's important for you to learn about these moon signs. Because like this, for example, so if you sitting there and you're steady trying to break this person instead of trying to help them will their life better or help them control their life better, however you want to say it, you know what I'm saying? This is how you can do it, and this is what not to do. So at the same time, you know not to put them, put your trust into that they won't do something knowing that they want to do it bad as I don't know what. Because at the end of the day, they're going to do it, and that's going to fulfill them, and they're going to try to do it. So that's it for the Aries one. The next one's going to be Taurus. So tune in to that one. Not trying to make these videos too long because I know everybody have things to do, and you know, you got to handle your business. So at the end of the day, they keep us busy, but you got to still get it done. So I'm out. OG Drip.